Yes, it is that time of the day when we see Saifina again. This, of course, is Saif and Kareena Kapoor as they get into a car. They've just alighted from the airport. Remember, this is for their big wedding ceremony that's going to happen in Delhi. So the couple have just come into Delhi. These are visuals that are coming into you live from the Delhi airport, and they finally have arrived. This evening at 8 p.m. there's a big walima, Dawat-e-Walima, that has been hosted by Saif Ali Khan's mother. That's the Begum of Pataudi, Sharmila Tagore. And here, as you can see, visuals of them coming into the Delhi airport. So Saif and Kareena have landed in Delhi. Earlier in the day, of course, they took off from Mumbai airport. There's been a lot of conjecture as to what is happening with this particular wedding. But yes, as and when we get visuals, we certainly show them to you. So here, the latest visuals of Saif and Kareena coming out of the Delhi airport. And of course, let's go across to Sabah Qazi. She's at 31 Aurangzeb Road, where all of the festivities are going to happen, that big celebration. Sabah, welcome to the show and tell us what you have for us. What's happening there?
Well, Denzel, I am at this location, which is the place to be in Delhi this evening, 31 Aurangzeb Road, where Saif and Kareena's Dawat-e-Walima will be hosted this evening. Let me give you a heads up of the things planned for the evening. Let me tell you a little about the decor. Now, at the entrance, we have a 200-year-old carpet, a maroon-colored carpet with gold work on it, which was inherited by the Pataudi clan. That will be at the entrance, welcoming the guests. And of course, not to forget, there's the whole place is, lit up with lanterns, and then we'll have mogras all over the place. And let's talk about the food. Now, the catering services provided by Kitchen Art, which is located in Chhatarpur in Delhi, is looking after the catering for the evening. Pan-Asian food, and not to forget, for those who are observing the Navratras, there's a special menu for the ones observing Navratras too, and approximately 500 invites have been sent out for the event this evening. Let's also talk about the traffic, the chaos. To avoid the traffic chaos in the evening, Aurangzeb Road will be blocked post 5 p.m. So the entry from, say, Safdarjung Road towards Aurangzeb Road or the Tughlaq Road towards Aurangzeb Road will be monitored only in a way that all cars having a VIP pass will only be allowed to enter Aurangzeb Road. So looking forward to the evening and the stream of guests, and of course, looks like a very exciting evening to look forward to.
Well, certainly a very exciting evening. But Sabah, tell me, as far as the people who are coming to this big do, I believe it is not Bollywood anymore. Now we've shifted focus, and this is all about sportsmen and politicians. I believe Sonia Gandhi and Pranab Mukherjee are supposed to be coming in this evening to meet and greet the newlyweds, as they call it. Do you have any information on who's on the list? Any surprises?
Well, so far, Denzel, definitely Bollywood takes a backseat when it comes to Delhi, the Delhi leg of the Saif Kareena wedding ceremonies. So here we have, of course, Pranab Mukherjee is the biggest highlight for this evening. Sonia Gandhi, as you mentioned, is also expected, along with a lot of politicians, Farooq Abdullah and the rest. A lot of bureaucrats also expected in the evening here. Not much of Bollywood expected here, but then again, a lot of people from B-Town who missed out on the functions in Bombay, and the ones who are in Delhi. For example, there's Aamir Khan in Delhi today, so sources suggest that Aamir may drop in at the Dawat-e-Walima this evening, along with even Arjun Rampal, who's in the city promoting his film Chakravyuh. He also wasn't there at the Delhi functions, considering he was promoting his film Chakravyuh in Dubai and London. So perhaps looking forward to Aamir Khan and Arjun Rampal at the Delhi event this evening.
But certainly, and you will keep us posted here. As you can see, thank you so much, Sabah. Here, as you can see on your screens, visuals of Saif and Kareena entering Delhi. They finally have landed, the newlyweds, of course, in the city. And yes, they're all set for this evening's big reception ceremony, the Dawat-e-Walima, which will happen, which is hosted, of course, by Sharmila Tagore at 31 Aurangzeb Road. So it has been a journey. It's been many ceremonies, all of them kept totally secret and very, very close to the chest. Very few of even Bollywood invited for the ceremonies before this, but this is the grand ceremony. This has got politician, bureaucrat and cricketer all will be rubbing shoulders at this big evening. So, well, Delhi is certainly getting decked up, as Sabha showed us visuals of what was happening at Aurangzeb Road.